Hey guys, I'm back here on this Jaguar. I finally got this 1/4 inch added on because somebody hacked it off, and then I finally got it gapped so you guys can see how well it turned out. I did the gas cap, and then on the inside I got the spare tire can that you guys I had the spare tire can, and it fits in here just to kind of show you guys the overall what I've been working on. It's kind of one of those deals, you know, where somebody's hacked it up so much that so I'll show you guys the inside as I got the can finished. The can, I used the original one, but I did put a new lip around it because it was hammered. But as you can see, I got all these welded in and adjusted. And obviously the pan, but I'm pretty pleased with it. It shuts pretty nice. As you can see right here, just with this lid going down, just push on it. And I got a nice bitch and gap. I know that there's probably supposed to be some rubbers in there that'll lift it off a little bit, but I'm pretty stoked with how it's turning out. Now start moving forward. So this is kind of what I've been working on the last 3 weeks. I got the whole back section done, got the box added in, and then on this side here, same as the other side, I had to add that, and then this fender was cut off. So it's a pretty intense little deal, but the body line and everything looks pretty good. Same contour as the deck lid, gap looks good. Totally satisfied. I cut out the fuel box because it was all stitch welded in up here, and I cleaned it all up and I spot welded it in so it looks factory. And there's the gas cap. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I'm staying busy here, but this was kind of a time-consuming process. When I move up to the B post, I'll shoot a video on these. So what I'm gonna do on these panels, once I cut them off, I'm definitely gonna come in here and replace all this that's rotted, the main structure. I'm just gonna beat some of these dents out, weld up some of these holes, add new material here. On this piece here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make like a hammer form buck out of wood, because these panels actually get wood inside. So I'll make the buck off of this, then I'll put it on sheet metal, and I'll actually put one side, which would probably be this side, into the bead roller, and I'll bend it 90, so I got this nice crisp bend. And then what I'll do is I'll bend this bottom one down to like a 45. And then the wood will sit in there. Once the wood sits in there, this side over here, it has a 90 bent down as well. So I'll probably try to do that all in the bead roller if I can. And then I'll come back around and I'll beat this around the wood. And then the wood stays in there because the tack strip for the convertible top, the soft top, it gets installed in there. So that's what I'm on to next. And hope you guys are kind of watching the progress of this. This thing was a basket case and starting to come together. So I'll just keep moving. It's all I can do. And I guess in a couple weeks I'll be getting a new bulkhead from Martin and Roby out of England. So I could throw that pile of trash out in the scrap bin, more or less. I'm not going to, but that's pretty much what all it's good for at this point. So customer's pretty pleased, and I'm just glad that everything's going back together as smoothly as I thought. you know, with this back being totally cut apart. So stay tuned, and I'll have some more videos for you. This is the Jaguar XK140 rear boot section.